Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app, just wait a minute, this one, from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started, tap OK, then you need to click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, click OK again, and tap on Input Options. And now select LED keyboard one more time and answer the question about your ads by clicking on one of the answers. Now you can finally pick keyboard that you like the best, tap on it, and choose Get Theme. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I guess that LED one was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!